So there's a couple simple procedures in order to get the pressure washer going. The first procedure is to turn the pump on. This turns on your cold water. And then we'll test that to make sure that it's working. And then in order to get on your hot water, you need to turn on the burner, which we did. And it should take a couple seconds for it to get hot. Now it's hot already, but the most important thing to note is once you're running the hot water, it's very important that you run the hot water back out of it to clear out the coils, which we'll do now. And the way that you tell that the hot water is out of it is you touch the silver part and it should be cooled off. And once that's cooled off, you're ready to shut it back off. And that's all there is to it.